Okay, so today we have my friend's, what year is this? 95 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham.
Yeah, it's 33,000 original miles on it.
Beautiful car. I love the color.
Adriatic blue.
It's the original paint?
Original paint.
Wow.
Car was always garaged. It came up from West Virginia.
It's really nice, really no flaws.
Yeah, so if you come over here, Ian.
Yep.
So it still has the original protective coating on the doors on both sides.
Was it not dealer prepped?
No. I will always stay that way.
This is really nice.
Yeah, interior is perfect. No cracks.
Yeah, you can tell it was well taken care of. You added these antennas?
Yeah, they're just magnetic.
Just for the look?
Well, my license was motorcade.
Yeah.
So I had
it
to
looks
make
like
it
it should
more,
be in a motorcade.
Had to look more official.
Yep. Tinted windows?
I had the tinted windows done.
Yeah.
It has the Corvette LT1 engine.
Yeah. Which is like spotless also. You keep it this clean or?
Yep.
You have to wipe it down all the time?
I have the car.
Gets dusty probably.
I have the car
just sitting.
Detailed every 2 weeks. I'm crazy.
Shows.
It's a broken light. Oh, I see it.
Yeah,
so today
Does it work?
Still works, but
today we're gonna try to help Elliot change this light out. Or should I change your name to keep it privacy?
oh, no, it's fine. It's not, I love it.
So here's how we got this out. Initially I was taking out these screws to get the whole housing out, but I don't think we need to. Now, there was one vertical screw here which was going through this light, side marker light, directional light, and then there's this little arrow right there. It was kind of just holding itself, I guess, through this rubber. It's catching on a little lip here maybe. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to pull this whole housing up to get to the bottom screws. That's how it comes out. Let's see how it goes in. I ended up pulling the whole housing out. It was just easier. The new light came with a housing, so the whole one will just go back in one piece. Got a little casualty here. This side marker light, this was going back in last, and somehow this piece cracked when we were pushing it in. I don't really know what happened, but the gasket is holding it in for now. Really, to get this housing out, you just have one bolt here, one down here, one down here, and disconnect all the wires, and it just comes right out. So the new light's back in. Maybe turn it on and try it, make sure everything looks all right.
Oh yeah, good idea.
Yeah, looking good. So, do the blinker, the right side. Yeah, it's good.